Hey easy technology fans, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to see your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. Now I will be showing you how to see your own Wi-Fi password in which you are connected to, and if you watch this video until the end, I will be showing you how you can view your previous network passwords as well. Alright, so this is very easy. First thing you have to do is simply choose the start menu and go ahead and select settings or type in settings and choose the application. Simply go ahead and select network and internet. Go ahead and scroll down and choose advanced network settings. Alright, and from there you're going to scroll down again. Under related settings, go ahead and select more network adapter options. Alright, so it's going to open up the control panel, and what you want to do is go ahead and select Wi-Fi one time and right click and simply choose status. So it's gonna bring up this other pop-up over here, and go ahead and simply select wireless properties. And from here you want to select security. And as you can see, this is your network security key, which is your Wi-Fi's password in which you are currently connected to. And to see it, you can simply just select show characters. So check this box off and you can see the exact Wi-Fi password. Alright, so there you go. You can now use and save your Wi-Fi password if you don't remember it for any reason. And now the next step to see your previously connected Wi-Fi passwords is go ahead and exit everything out. And now I'll be showing you how you can find your previously connected Wi-Fi passwords. So this is very easy. Go ahead and select the start menu, type in CMD, and go ahead and open it. Alright, and what you want to do is simply type in the exact code I will be typing in right now. And once you type this in, go ahead and select enter. So this will give you all of the names of the Wi-Fi names in which you have previously connected to on this computer. And it's going to ask you to type in another code. So you're going to type in this exact code once again. All right, and next to this equal sign, instead of typing in my internet name, you're going to type in your internet name in which you want to find the password for. So in my case, I want to find the internet password for Sam, and that's what I'll be typing in. You'll be typing in your internet name. All right, once you finish typing in this exact code, go ahead and select enter. And as you can see next to key content, it'll give you the exact password in which you have selected the Wi-Fi name. It'll give you that corresponding password right over here. Alright, so that concludes my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.